Sometimes as part of the job scheduling, so sometimes some members, they will not give the clear information. They will say like, create the one job, the job should run, job should run every day the job should run every day, the job should run 10 to 6 only, 10 to 6, 10 to 6, 10 to 6 p.m. ist, and every 1 hour it should run, every 1 hour it should run daily, 10 to 6, which means it should not start before 10, after 10, then every 1 hour it should run every day. So like that, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it will start. Only 6 iteration. Only 10 iteration it should start it. That's it. They don't want to start after 6 and before 10. So like that, they will give the some conditions to you. In this case, you need to rethink. You have to revisit. You have to think your knowledge here. So let's example in this case, what you have to do here. So job name. So put like, so daily job. So daily job. Okay. Step name. The program name they will give you. Why? Because we are not the programmers. They will give the programmers. Just select the program. Any program you can choose it. So anything you can choose it here. Okay. So variant, if you have the variant, you can choose it. Otherwise, just ignore it. Just click on the save button. Right? You have done it here. Then go back. So now logic is very important here. So they are saying that every day it starts from 10. Okay. Every day, daily job. Okay. It's kind of daily. Okay. Daily job. So it should start from, okay. So suppose example, tomorrow onwards. Okay. The timelines is 10 o'clock. It should start from 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Right? It should start from 10 a.m. Then not start after 6 p.m. All right, 6 p.m. again. So p.m. Logic you should understand. Okay, logic you should understand. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so it will start here, not started after 6 years. So daily job here. So daily job. So hourly should run here. Hourly should run here. Okay, then click on OK button. Okay, hourly. Every hour it will run. See here a frequency. Hourly, every hour. But it should start from tomorrow, 10 o'clock it will start. Then, so here it will end up to, so 6 o'clock it will end. Hourly it will start. Hourly it will start. Right? So maybe, so if you want to put like some other conditions you want to apply. So some other conditions you want to apply. So go to the, so periodic values here, go to the other period. So daily it starts, days, daily. So hourly, every 1 hour. Maybe you can put some filter conditions also here. Just click on OK button, click on save. So 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day, only 1 day. So every 1 hour. So we want something like that. If we want to some filter conditions, we have to apply some filter conditions, periodic values. So thing is, you need to understand the logic here. You need to understand the logic here. You need to understand the logic here. Daily it will start. Daily 10 o'clock it will start. So then 8 o'clock it will finish it here. So just do that one. So now job is released here. So tomorrow it will start this job. Tomorrow onwards. So it is 10 o'clock. This job will start. 10 o'clock. This job will start tomorrow. So that is the, so one thing here which we can achieve here by doing this configurations here. Like that. So they will give the some scenarios here. So like that. So I'm giving the some test cases you can define it here, right? You can define it here. So the first test case one, which I'm giving to you, you can try it here. So one is like, so my job should run only on weekends, weekends, Saturday and Sunday. it starts from so evening 6 p.m. to so morning 6 p.m. 6 a.m. So that is the my condition. So every 1 hour it should start. Every 1 hour should run. Means 6 p.m. means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m. up to here. Then it should not start. But only on weekends, Saturday and Sundays. That is the one test case you need to execute and you need to show me how you have executed. Right? Not here, tomorrow. So you can try. One more test case, which is like, so I want my shop should run only Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't want to run the so anytime Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Weekly 3 days only should run, right? So weekly 2 days, weekly 3 days it should run. Weekly job. So next week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next week, Monday. So like that, my job should start. Not only 1 week, Monday, Tuesday, then it should not complete. Every week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These 3 days my job should run. This is a every 1 hour, only Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So this is your test case now. So you have to think broadly. So how you want to execute this one, you have to execute. Got it? Any clarification is required on this test cases?
No, sir.
It's clear, right? But second one is the very critical.
Yeah.
Normally you won't get this one, but let's see who will do this one, who will think more here. Okay, so that is the one you execute. So let's see who will try. So okay, this is the test cases you need to execute it. So yes, so that is the background job administration perspective.
రవి గారు ఇందాక పీరియాడిక్ వాల్యూస్ లో మీరు డైలీ 1 hour.
Yes, tell me, Sudhir. I think we lost Sudhir. Okay, so let's discuss. Already 15 minutes past. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so in the DBEB completed, next one is the message server. Right? In the DBEB completed, we have only message server here. So right, background jobs we discussed, NQ we discussed, so update we discussed, so dialog we discussed. So now M for message server.
Sir?
So message server.
Sir, one question, sir, before going to message server.
Yes.
Yeah. Regarding the background job, so how do we check what are all the background list of background jobs are running currently? How do we check? Because when we scheduling background job, we cannot schedule the at the same time, right? When the job is running parallelly.
Yeah.
So either one it will be cancelled. So I just want to check what are the list of background jobs are running. So based I need these details, sir.
So suppose if you filter only active, then only the active jobs will be displayed. So you want to see all the released jobs, then only one job is released, which is hourly scheduled by one of our colleague. So right. So but you need entire all the jobs, not the system wide all the jobs I want. So in this case, they are the tables actually. If you go to the SE16, there the two, three tables are there here. The tables are called the TBTC T and TBTC. Yes, these are the two tables are responsible to store the jobs related information. So TBTC, yes. Okay. Then here, just go to the table name. In this table name here, so just click on the execute button. You will see what are the currently the jobs are there here. So these are the currently the jobs are scheduled by our team. This is I scheduled. This is the so one more person is scheduled here, right? So here what time we executed scheduled to start. So one is the so maybe next 26th, 25th. This is a scheduled start. Then this is the 27, 26. So like that, see the 29th, 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 right? So which client? So someone scheduled from 000, someone scheduled the 001. So like that, we can see all the information. Who scheduled? We got all the information here, right? So you can see like this here, we have all the information from the table here. So all the information is available from the table here. What are the jobs which are currently there in the system? You got all the jobs here, right? So this table you can find out here.
Okay, sir.
T, BTC, T, TBTC, yes. So both are same, but T is not active here. It's not a structured table actually. It's not required. So T, yes, you can find out all the information. There is a concept
Okay, sir.
actually.
But but running we can check only in SM37.
Currently what are running? I want to know what are the jobs are currently running. Go to the SM37, maybe pull the star. So maybe you can check, uncheck all those things. I want to only active, which are currently running. So means which are currently inactive here. Just click on the OK button. It will display. If anything says, it will display. I want to know what total released jobs. How many jobs are released? So you can see all the jobs. Say whatever the tables are there, all the jobs are filled from here also. Right? I want to cancel the jobs. Just select only cancelled here. Then only one job is cancelled. I want to only scheduled jobs, but not released. So these are the scheduled one, but they are not released. Not released here. Means it won't execute these jobs. It won't execute. So
Okay,
like
sir.
this, you can find out from here. I want finished, all the
sir.
finished jobs I want. Then click on OK button. You will get the list of jobs, the finished one, all those things. Okay. So
రవి గారు నిన్న సారీ ఫర్ ద ఇంటరప్ట్ నిన్న సాటర్డేస్ హలో
చెప్పండి.
అది నిన్న ఒకటి అనుకున్నాం కదా, అది స్కూల్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ ది సెకండ్ సాటర్డే అటెండెన్స్ పడకుండా మనం ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అనుకున్నాం. నేను ట్రై చేశాను, అది రాలేదు.
So let me check. Even I have not tried that one. Maybe
TRS.
Let me check here. Even I too don't know, but you want to schedule the job. Suppose example Saturday, Sunday, right? Saturday, Sunday. So it should not run Saturday, Sunday, right? You mean to say? Not on Sundays and public holidays, right? So you can choose this option. What is the calendar we are following here? India calendar we have. Yeah, India calendar we have. Then, okay. So when you want to start that one, suppose when is our holiday? So next holiday, Friday, right? I think is it a public holiday, Friday, or government?
Thursday.
Thursday. Is it entire government holiday, right? Thursday.
Yes.
Okay, but is it recorded in the system or not sure? But let's see. So Friday, you want to run this job. So it will put the 1 o'clock. You should not run, right? So then what I am doing here, I'm scheduling only that day, right? 28th. So what I mentioned in the restriction, not on Sundays and the public holidays, right? So public holiday means, so second Saturday also will come into the public holiday. Maybe let's see. Not take anything. So lot of conditions. Periodic values. So daily it should run, but not on the public holiday. Okay. But daily it should run. So daily it should start from 28th. So but 28th it will run or not? we have to check. So in this case, okay. So let's
If
start.
28th is public
let's-
holiday means it won't run, right?
Yeah, but 26th from today. So we will say 27th, 00. It will run every day. Every day it will run. Okay, daily this job will run. Okay, from starting from tomorrow. Save it. Okay, starting from tomorrow, this job will run. Tomorrow it will run. Okay, 27th. Why? Because tomorrow is not public holiday. So, but when you see the restrictions field here, so not on the Sundays and the public holidays here. India calendar is selected. So as per India calendar, so we need to check 28th is the public holiday or not. So India calendar, is it Indian holiday? Only our government holiday. So India calendar 2023. So public holidays. So but Republic Day, fine. So Independence Day, fine. Republic Day, fine. So October, India public holidays. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, right? September 28th. National Eid. Yeah, September. Eid-e-Milad. Ramdev. Sri Navratara Guru Jayanti, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, it's a public holiday. But 28th also holiday, public holiday. So Indra Jatra, what is that? Eid-e-Milad. So here we have, these are the national, except this one, these countries. Except this, we have the holidays. But yeah, except this one. But we have to test really. Yeah, it's a good call. But we have to sure, right? Indian calendar is selected. So daily it will run. So tomorrow it should run. Okay, that's fine. But day after tomorrow it should not run. That is our duty. So that's why what we will do. So school, we will create one naming convention here. School 1 attendance. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm saving the job here. The job is saved and released now. So we'll monitor on the 28th. Tomorrow also we will keep it running. 28th we should check this one. 28th we will check. If we checked on 28th, we will come to know we are going to achieve this will working or not. We will come to know, right? 28th. So we have to wait for the 20th only tomorrow, so that we will come to know whether this job will run or not. So as per the schedule, we have selected the Indian calendar. Indian calendar we have selected. Yeah, school 1. So daily it will run, right? Daily it will run. So job step, any program it will execute. Startup conditions. So daily 27th it will run. Then so restrictions not on the Sundays and public holidays that you selected. As per this one, so we selected. But we want to see whether we can achieve this one or not. Once we system executed the job, then we will come to know, right? So let it run on only 2 days, right? Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we will come to know, right? So then let's wait for that one, so that we will come to know if the job is not executed, then we are good. We executed means something we are giving the wrong. So maybe the calendar or something is wrong. That Indian calendar, something is wrong in the systems. That we have to check it out. Okay, that maybe we can test it out, that one.
And in periodic values, more periodic values option is there now. There you have mentioned hourly one, daily one, like that. So can I know about that more, please? I didn't get that exact.
So hourly, daily means, so suppose in the periodic values, if you see here, so you want to daily, you don't want to execute every daily here. I want to execute only, so only few weeks only, few days only. So like that. So this one, what this will every hour, every day, every hour this will execute. Okay. This job every hour, every day, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after day after tomorrow, every day, while system is live, while we are live. So system will start executing it here. So let me go to the change mode here. Startup conditions here. Then, so I don't want to execute like this. I want, so start every maybe every 1 day, sorry, every 5 days once. Job start the job every 5 days once. It will start only 5 days once. Every 1 hour, 5 days once. Something like that. We have to give it here every 1 minute. Something like that. So we have to provide it here. So 5 days once this job will run. Suppose if you give this one, so 5 days once. Let me check what is the value it will come. Okay, so 5 days job frequency 5 days, not daily. 5 days once this job will run. 5 days once this job will run. So otherwise,
it means if work start, I mean, if any work started on Monday means again that work will start on Friday. Am I right?
Right. So if I give maybe 2 hours once, 2 hours once, maybe if I give 5 minutes once, so what it will come? Every 1 hour, first 5 minutes, this job should run. So like that, if we select the periodic values, every 1 hour, only first 5 minutes, this job will run. Okay. So like this, the job will run. Let me check. Job is changed here. Okay. So it will start from 23rd. So today, 25th. Okay, 23rd. Okay, 23rd only. So next 2 minutes, this job is going to start. Then it won't execute in the next 45 minutes. Next 55 minutes, it won't execute. In another 1 hour, it will start the only first 5 minutes, it will execute. So let me check the frequency 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, but every 1 hour. 1 hour, every 5 minutes. So maybe some confusion here. But let's see, but we will test this one. What will happen here? So only 2 minutes to the system time. What is the system time here? It will follow the system time here. System time 23:02. Okay. The next 1 minute 23:03. This will run. It's very tricky to break the scenario. If you are working for one customer, if the client send the same email to you, so we have to break our heads. You won't understand what is the logic he mentioned. It's already there. Why this job is not running? (25th 09 23) 09. Okay, 17. Maybe few seconds. So delay is happening. So time is running now. Delay is happening. So delay happening. So delay means, so it should start as per the timelines. Delay, in the delay mode, the count is happening here. Why? Because so the delay happens when there is no free background work process. Already, yeah, it's finished now. See here, this finished. 11/3/17, it is finished now. See here, it is finished. So it is finished now. So open this one. This is the hourly. Yeah, 23. This is the one, I guess. Yeah, okay. Hourly job you mentioned 22, 23. So then 23 it is executed. 23 it is executed. The next job. Then it's not scheduled. Only 1 hour, first hour, 5 minutes job. In 1 hour, in only 1 hour, in 1 hour time. So in 1 hour, only for 5 minutes, this is executed. 5 minutes is executed. So then where is the remaining job here? Yes, one is released here. So tomorrow. Okay. So you see here. So again tomorrow, first hour and 1 hour and 5 minutes. First 5 minutes it will execute. That's it. Then day after tomorrow. So like that, I think it is getting started. See here. So 1 hour it is executed. The hourly job is changed to the 1 hour. So then, so 5 minutes it is changed. First hour, maybe frequency every 1 hour, 5 minutes. So again, tomorrow, 1 hour, 5 minutes, first 5 minutes, it will execute it, I guess. Scenario is typical, but how it will execute, let me check that one. Yeah, we need to put more exposure on this, more options. But you won't get that type of compliments, that type of complicated scenarios. They will give the timelines, just have to execute it. That's it. Okay, that's you have to execute. That is the one thing you should know. But try that approach. We can try that approach also. We can rethink that approach also. So exactly. So what is that exactly? We can rethink that one. Okay.
The class will be defined by the customer, or we have to define?
The class they will tell you that this is a very high priority job. So maybe like that, if they mentioned, then we need to define
Class
A, R, B, or C.
Mhm.
So why how the jobs will execute depends upon the priority. Suppose you have the
Exactly.
same time you have the 3 jobs are there. Suppose 3 jobs are there.